Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog, Review Life TV. We're gonna have an adventure today. We're gonna be going to Dipping Springs. What's it called? Dipping Springs? Dripping Springs. I'm sorry, Dripping Springs for coffee and cars. So you're in for a ride. We're gonna see some views on views. Go and maybe hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. We're gonna be heading out here with the fam. Yeah. Alright guys, we're about to head out, so I'm gonna take you for a ride right now. Yeah! Alright guys, we're actually at the Alamo. Woo! Doing a miniature gas station takeover. Guys, a lifesaver. Gatorade, if you want to sponsor us, Gatorade, sponsor us. We're about to hit the road. My buddy Daniel, car family member, has a sweet M2. I'm going to ask him about it. Hey bro, so what can you tell us about your M2, man? It's so clean.
So I picked this up about 3-4 months ago, and I had to get it, you know, with the new twin turbo engine. It's pushing about 430 horsepower, so it's pretty quick. Awesome. I did a few mods of myself, got some coilovers on there, did the Martini livery. I love that. I always wanted to put that in a car, and it's a great car, man. I love it. It's packed with fun. We're all out here having fun at Cars and Coffee, man.
Good times, bro. Good times, man.
All right. Get it in regular mode.
Alright, so that was sports mode, and he's gonna put it in regular mode now. Oh wow.
So that's the cop mode there.
Dude, it's like night and day almost, pretty much. Alright, so Daniel, like, what are your feature mods for the M2? Like,
so I think the next thing I'm going to do is probably a downpipe and exhaust, and then maybe an intake, a tune on it too, but we'll see about that.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome.
It's already pretty fast, so.
Yeah, bro. Congrats, man. It's freaking awesome car.
Yeah. All right.
Alright guys, so tons of other cars out here. We're going to go ahead and check them out. And of course, every time I go to a car show, I need your guys' help to tell me which one do you see as your top pick. Like which one, because I'm going to pick five cars that stand out to me. So tell me which one you like. Enter it in the comments below. Alright guys, so we got a pair of clean M4s. Love the color. It's like blue. If you guys know what the color is called of the M4, please let me know. Guys, so I'm a fan of Porsche too. There's a clean 911 twin turbo. You can tell from the ducts right there. Got a Jaguar V8 supercharged, I heard. Got a Vet, and also we have a Huracan. We got views on views. Got some Mustangs here. I think that's a G. Oh, it's a 5.0. Got a Vet. Vicious. Alright guys, so that was the Corvette Stingray, and lo and behold we have a SS Nova, I think. SS Nova. Wow. Let's check it out real quick. Looks like he has some aftermarket stuff in there. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, tons of selection. Oh, buddy Chris is revving his car again, so hold on. So, oh dude, check out this Porsche. What? That Porsche is clean. Clean. Alright guys, so ever since the movie Bad Boys came out, where it was like a black twin turbo Ford, you know, remember that chase scene? And this car looks just like it. So clean. Alright guys, so we're lining up for a family photo. The car fam. Family photo time. Alright guys, we have views on views on views on views. With Jaguar, F-Type, we got a V8 supercharged, I believe. Vaughn, this guy, 007, getting to work. That was James Bond. License to drive, Hill Country Cruises. Hi guys, so the car vlog is about to turn to a food vlog. We're about to get our grub on. Be back shortly.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so we're back. Found a spot to eat at because I don't think any of us ate breakfast or lunch yet. So we're about to have a epic brunch at like, I don't know if you guys can see that. 11. It's not too bad, not too bad. So we're about to get our grub on. Let's see what this restaurant's about. Hi guys, out here with the car fam. About to get our grub on. This restaurant. We are eating at the community. About to get our grub on. None of us had breakfast or lunch, so it could be brunch. It's brunch time. There's a selection at community. You can get burger on pie. Man, this sounds gonna get everything. Keith is gonna get the Lamborghini pizza, the Italian stallion. Yeah. Rocky pizza.
A few moments later.
That looks like Italian style. Oh no!
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so that was an epic meal time at the pizza place, pizza restaurant. I think these guys are about to head out.
Man, toasty in there. Open some windows.
Alright bro, you gotta head out, man?
Yeah, heading out.
Alright bro, good seeing you.
Yeah.
Good times, man.
Thanks.
Here in a minute.
Alright brother, good times, man.
Alright, see you.
Later. Alright brother.
I think I'll see you sooner than you think.
Good times, man.
That was really good.
Boom. Yeah. Hey guys, so I hope you liked today's vlog video of us going to Dipping Springs for cars and coffee. If you did, go and feel free to smash that like button and don't forget to hit subscribe. Once again, thanks for checking out the vlog and aloha.